how to remove Capcut Watermark in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can easily remove Capcut Watermark. So that's quite simple. So let's get started without wasting a single second. But before starting the video, make sure that you watch the video till end and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. So first of all guys, you will have to open Capcut application. Now, once you are on this page, you will have to import a video that you want to remove the watermark. For example, I will export this video and then add. Now, whenever you export a video, it adds a CapCut watermark at the last of the video like this. And if you want to remove this watermark, all you'll have to do is to click on that watermark and a bin will appear in front of you that says delete. Click on it. Now you can see the watermark is being removed successfully. If you go to the last of the video, there is no watermark. And now you can simply export this video to your gallery or photos. So that's how you can easily remove watermark from CapCut in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe